In a major relief for students across Karnataka, the state government has announced a significant change in the SSLC, that is, Class 10 examination system, one that could directly impact lakhs of students in Bengaluru and beyond. On March 27, Karnataka School Education Minister Madhu Bangarappa revealed that marks for the third language will no longer be counted in the final SSLC results. Instead, students will receive grades A, B, C, or D without any pass or fail pressure. Until now, SSLC exams carried a total of 625 marks, including 100 marks for the third language. With this reform, the total marks will drop to 525, fundamentally changing how students approach their board exams. The third language, often Hindi, has long been a point of debate. While widely taught, several Kannada groups and activists have raised concerns about its difficulty for native Kannada speaking students and the perception of language imposition. The government says this reform is meant to ease academic pressure. Students will still study the third language, but their performance in it will no longer affect their overall result. In simple terms, less stress, more focus on core subjects. For students preparing for SSLC this year, the message is clear: one less subject to worry about in terms of marks, but still an opportunity to learn and grow. An official government order is expected soon, confirming the rollout from the current academic year.